Hey, it's Dennis from the Salad Table, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put together your small salad table. After unpacking all your pieces, ensure you have 4 short frame lengths, 4 medium frame lengths and 2 long frame lengths. From this point we want to first grab the 2 long lengths, ensuring that your salad table sticker faces out. Install like so. Your connectors, press together. You may need just to give it a tap into place. Grab your other long length and your remaining 2 3-way connectors, ensuring that they are lined up at the ends. Now grab your medium length with the clips connected already, and we want to make sure that your salad table sticker is facing out and your clips are also facing out. Now this is going to be the inlet end, so this will be the opposite end to where the bucket or your nutrient reservoir will be. So you can either put it on this end or this end. I'm going to choose to put it on this end. Another medium length at the opposite end, and then we simply want to pop on the other long length with the 3 connectors, ensuring that we have the connectors all facing in the same direction. Now double check to make sure that your salad table sticker is in the right orientation and that these are on the outboard face of the ends. Now we just want to turn it over. Now it's time to grab our short lengths. These are our legs. Pop all 4 legs on. Our 2 remaining medium lengths, just want to pop in our 2-way connectors, ensuring they're faced in the same direction. And then we're just going to pop them on to the upside down frame. Now we'll do the same with the remaining piece of frame. There we have it, frame complete, just like that. Now it's time to grab your channels, ensuring that the big outlet, not the small inlet, is at the opposite end of our clips in the frame. Pop all 3 channels on, ensuring that our salad table sticker faces out, whichever way that may be at your place. We then grab our outlet manifold, align all 3 channels, making sure that we have an outlet facing down. And just ensure that they're fully seated. Now we can grab our inlet manifold and our inlet pipe. Just want to make sure that we put the thread tape that's supplied in the kit onto this screwed section and then screw it into the manifold, otherwise you may get a leak. Just run at least half a dozen turns of thread tape onto the thread. Screw the fitting in to the feed manifold. And do not over tighten, you'll feel it come to a stop. Now also ensure that the tap is in the full on position. So that is in the on, that is in the off. So we want to make sure it's in the full on position. Now we want to clip our inlet manifold. Set it up so the manifold is quite even between the ends there, and then we simply want to pop in the hoses. Due to the design, we want to make sure these things don't leak. We've made it a fairly tight fit. If you have trouble putting the hose into the small hole there, it's an easy fix. Just grab a pair of scissors or a pair of pliers like I've got it here and cut a 45-degree off your hose like so, and you'll find it'll slip in much easier. There we have it. There's our inlet set up. Now grab your 42 litre container, place it under your small salad table, and you'll note that we have two similar size holes in the lid, so it doesn't matter which end you put the lid on. We can pop that in there, pop the lid on before we fill it up so it's nice and light and makes placement much easier. Grab our outlet manifold, assume the position, push our outlet manifold into position at the drain end, and there we have it. We can easily access our container just by turning the lid. Now we need to grab our water pump with our 10-metre length of line and screw in our fitting that's supplied in the kit. Finger tight's fine on this one. And me personally, I don't worry about putting any thread tape, but if you choose, you can do that as well. Place the water pump into the container. Locate the end of your cord, and from the inside, push the lead through the hole and pull it all the way through. Now grab your inlet hose, pop it into the top of the container and place the hose on your pump. We've also provided a couple of cable ties that you may want to use. It's a fairly good fit. I tend not to worry about it. And if you do choose to pop on your cable tie, just cut the remainder off. Now we can pop the pump back into the container, relocate the container in its position, and now it's time to fill with water. Now I'll normally fill to about 3/4 full. We can now add 100 mils of nutrient part A and 100 mils of nutrient part B to the 42 litre container. We need to add 2.5 mil of A and 2.5 mil of B per litre of water when we're topping up as well. And then we'll continue filling until the container is completely full. Plug in, turn on, and now ensure that we're getting a good water flow. See if we have that problem there, just push your hose in a little bit further, and we can also turn the tap up and down if we do have any excess water flowing. The water will then flow down the channel into the outlet and then back into the container. And there you have it, the assembly is complete. As easy as that. Now in your kit you also get some grow cubes. Now don't forget to watch our video on how to grow your own seedlings as well. It's as simple as putting a seed in the hole, waiting for it to grow, grabbing a basket, popping the seedling into the basket, and then putting the basket in the hole. Simple as that. If you have any questions, jump on our website, thesaladtable.com.au, and look for our support portal, and on there you'll find our telephone number to call us up as well if you need us. There we go.